Once the realm of science fiction, planets orbiting alien stars have become a reality. With hundreds already discovered and thousands more expected, the race is on among astronomers to detect these alien worlds, called exoplanets. Often, astronomers will search for exoplanets by looking for stars that periodically dim as an orbiting planet crosses or transits between the Earth and the observed star. A group of astronomers at Vanderbilt University are currently searching sections of the southern sky for these transits, using an unconventional telescope.
So KELT stands for the Kilodegree Extremely Little Telescope, and KELT consists of two robotic telescopes, and one's in Arizona. That was the one that I built when I was in graduate school at Ohio State, and then the newer one that I built with Vanderbilt is in South Africa. Each of these robotic telescopes has a preset list of fields around the sky that they constantly scan over and over again, night after night. And the purpose is that each telescope builds up a large data set of the brightness of millions of stars over time, and the objective is to find transiting planets. And one of the cool things about it is everything isn't custom made. There's very few custom parts. Most of it is off the shelf. We buy them from regular distributors. So the whole operation, only costs about I think $60,000 for all the hardware, which in the world of scientific astronomy is peanuts.
Pepper expects the KELT North telescope to yield results soon.
Now, so one of the things about this process of searching for exoplanets is that there are many false positives. There's many things that look like a transiting planet which turn out not to be. And so we have to go through many follow-up observations with other telescopes and other facilities to get rid of those false positives. That's what we're in the middle of doing right now. And so if things go well, we hope to find and confirm our first planets within the next year. That's what we're hoping to do.
But how does the team sort through the mountains of pictures that KELT collects?
We call it image subtraction. So you take the best image that you can find out of all the thousands, and then you take all of the other images and you subtract the best one from that one, right? So that means that all of the stars that you see are basically, all the ones that are constant are going to be subtracted out, and you're going to have nothing left. But the things that change are going to stay behind. I just think it's one of those sexy science things. I mean, it's people have always had this fascination with aliens and things like that. And so I think 20 years ago when you said, I want to find planets, people would have thought you're a bit of a crackpot. And then the first exoplanet was found, and then the next one, and then the next one, and it just started ramping up. And now people are like, there's actually hundreds of these things out there. And we might not be alone in the universe after all.
The KELT South program is just one of many surveys searching the sky for alien planets, and perhaps even another Earth. For Inside Vandy, I'm Harrison Dreves.